Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video,
we will learn how to add games to your Roblox group. So firstly, in order to make a game visible on your Roblox group, you need to make a game that you can create with your group. In order to do that, first head to the search panel of Windows. From here type Roblox Studio, then click on open. Now let the studio app open. After the app opens, you can either create a totally new game or you can go into any existing game and enable team create on it. So I'll go into one of my existing games. Now in order to add this game to your group, go to the file section, create again, then select save to Roblox as, then select create a new game. Now from here just fill out the basic information as you wish. Then under the creators tab, instead of me, you'll have to select the group or that you want to add this game into. So I do not own any group right now, but if you own, you will see a group in here. After all of this procedure is complete and also team create is on, click on the save button. After that, open up your browser, then head to the search panel of your browser, then type Roblox, then click on Google search. Now go to the Roblox website. Now make sure that you're logged in with your ID, then head to the groups tab from the left side. From here select the group you added in your game. Then press on the three dots button, then click on the configure group button under it. After clicking on the configure group on the left hand side, a menu like this will pop up. From here you have to click on settings under the information tab. After clicking on setting, a lot of things will pop up alongside the group profile. From the group profile, you have to enable group experience are visible on the group homepage. And after you have done that and gone to the homepage of your group, you will find the experience you shared with your group on there.
thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.